Hey guys, welcome back. This is Vinay Manchali. Today we are in Little India to see Deepavali light up. Deepavali or Festival of Lights is one of the major cultural festivals in Singapore. Almost 9% of Singapore population celebrates this festival, which is why Deepavali is a public holiday in Singapore. This is Perumanla Temple of Lord Venkateshwara Swami. It's one of the famous temples in Singapore. Thanks for watching. Please double click on channel image to subscribe, and you can watch my previous videos as well.